Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about 17 coolest gadgets on Amazon you can buy. What is the TileMate? The TileMate is a small, square device that you can attach to anything you want to keep track of. It uses Bluetooth to connect to your smartphone, so you can use the Tile app to find your lost item. How does it work? To use the TileMate, you first need to download the Tile app and create an account. Then, you can attach the TileMate to the item you want to track. Once it's attached, open the Tile app and tap on the tile you want to find. The app will show you the last known location of the tile, and you can also make it ring so you can hear it. How far can it track? The TileMate has a range of about 200 feet. So, if you lose your keys in your house, you should be able to find them with the Tile app. However, if you lose your keys outside, the TileMate may not be able to reach them. Is it waterproof? Yes, the TileMate is waterproof. So, you can attach it to your keys or your phone without worrying about it getting wet. How long does the battery last? The TileMate's battery lasts about a year. When the battery is low, the Tile app will let you know. Is it expensive? The TileMate costs about $25. This is a small price to pay for peace of mind knowing that you'll never lose your keys or other important items again. The TileMate is a great way to keep track of your belongings. It's small, affordable, and easy to use. If you're prone to losing things, I highly recommend getting a TileMate. The Anker Powercore Portable Charger. This is a great little charger that can help you keep your devices powered up on the go. The Powercore has a capacity of 20,000 mAh, which means it can fully charge most smartphones up to 3 times. It also has 2 USB ports, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time. To use the Powercore, simply plug it into an electrical outlet to charge it up. Once it's fully charged, you can connect your devices to the USB ports. The Powercore will automatically start charging your devices. The Powercore is also very compact and lightweight, so it's easy to take with you wherever you go. It's perfect for travel, camping, or any other time you need to keep your devices charged. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable portable charger, the Anker Powercore is a great option. I highly recommend it. The Powercore is made with high-quality materials and is backed by Anker's 1-year warranty. It comes with a built-in LED flashlight that can be used for emergencies. It's also compatible with most smartphones, tablets, and other devices. The Lamicall cell phone stand. This is a versatile stand that can be used for a variety of purposes, including watching videos, video calls, and gaming. The Lamicall cell phone stand is made of durable aluminum alloy and has a sleek, minimalist design. It's adjustable to 3 different angles, so you can find the perfect viewing angle for your needs. The stand also has a non-slip base to prevent your phone from slipping. To use the Lamicall cell phone stand, simply open the legs and place your phone on the platform. You can then adjust the angle of the stand to your desired position. The stand is also foldable, so it's easy to transport and store. The Lamicall cell phone stand is a great way to improve your viewing experience. It's also a great way to free up your hands so you can do other things, such as taking notes or eating. The stand is also very affordable, making it a great value for your money. If you're looking for a versatile and affordable cell phone stand, the Lamicall cell phone stand is a great option. It's well made, adjustable, and easy to use. I highly recommend it. The JBL Flip 5 is a small, cylindrical speaker that is very durable. It is IP67 water resistant, so you can take it to the beach or pool without worry. It also has a long battery life, so you can listen to music for up to 24 hours on a single charge. The sound quality of the JBL Flip 5 is very good for its size. It has a clear and balanced sound, with good bass response. It is also very loud, so it is perfect for parties or outdoor activities. The JBL Flip 5 is very easy to use. It has a built-in controls for volume, playback, and Bluetooth pairing. It also has a party boost feature that allows you to connect multiple JBL speakers together for a larger sound system. Overall, the JBL Flip 5 is a great portable Bluetooth speaker. It is durable, has great sound quality, and is very easy to use. It also has the built-in microphone for making calls or using voice assistants if you are looking for a small, portable Bluetooth speaker with great sound quality. The JBL Flip 5 is a great option. I highly recommend it. The Echo Dot is a great way to get started with Amazon Alexa. It's small and affordable, and it can do a lot of things, like play music, set alarms, control smart home devices, and answer your questions. The ability to control smart home devices, get news and weather updates, and set timers. To use the Echo Dot, you just need to plug it in and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Then, you can start using voice commands to control it. For example, you can say, "Alexa, play music," to play your favorite song, or, "Alexa, set an alarm for 7 a.m., to set an alarm. The Echo Dot also has a built-in speaker, so you can use it to listen to music or audiobooks. The sound quality isn't the best, but it's good enough for most people. Overall, the Echo Dot is a great little smart speaker. It's affordable, easy to use, and it can do a lot of things. If you're looking for a way to get started with Amazon Alexa, the Echo Dot is a great option. The Ring Video Doorbell is a Wi-Fi connected doorbell that allows you to see, hear, and speak to visitors from your phone, tablet, or computer. It also has motion detection and night vision, so you can see what's happening at your door even when it's dark. To use the Ring Video Doorbell, you just need to install it on your door and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Then, you can download the Ring app and start using it. When someone rings your doorbell, you'll get a notification on your phone. You can then answer the doorbell by tapping on the notification. The Ring Video Doorbell will start streaming live video to your phone, so you can see who's at your door. You can also use the Ring Video Doorbell to speak to visitors. Just tap on the microphone button and start talking. The visitor will be able to hear you through the doorbell speaker. The Ring Video Doorbell also has motion detection. If the doorbell detects motion, it will start recording a video clip. You can then watch the video clip in the Ring app. Overall, the Ring Video Doorbell is a great way to keep an eye on your home. It's easy to install and use, and it has a lot of features that can help you stay safe. There's many features of the Ring Video Doorbell, such as the ability to record videos, see live videos, and speak to visitors. If you're looking for a way to keep an eye on your home, the Ring Video Doorbell is a great option. I highly recommend it. The Google Home Mini is a great way to get started with Google Assistant. It's small and affordable, and it can do a lot of things, like play music, set alarms, control smart home devices, and answer your questions. To use the Google Home Mini, you just need to plug it in and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Then, you can start using voice commands to control it. For example, you can say, "Hey Google, play music," to play your favorite song, or, "Hey Google, set an alarm for 7 a.m., to set an alarm. The Google Home Mini also has a built-in speaker, so you can use it to listen to music or audiobooks. The sound quality isn't the best, but it's good enough for most people. The Google Home Mini also has a few other features that make it a great smart speaker. It can be used to control smart home devices, like lights and thermostats. It can also be used to get news and weather updates, set timers, and alarms. Overall, the Google Home Mini is a great little smart speaker. It's affordable, easy to use, and it can do a lot of things. If you're looking for a way to get started with Google Assistant, the Google Home Mini is a great option. The Fitbit Charge 3 is a great way to track your fitness and activity levels. It has a heart rate monitor, a step counter, and a sleep tracker. It also has a built-in GPS, so you can track your runs and walks. The Fitbit Charge 3 is water-resistant up to 50 meters, so you can wear it in the shower or pool. It also has a long battery life, so you can wear it all day without having to worry about it running out of power. The Fitbit Charge 3 is a great way to stay motivated to reach your fitness goals. It has a built-in coach that can help you create a personalized fitness plan. It also has a social media platform where you can connect with other Fitbit users and share your progress. If you're looking for a fitness tracker to help you reach your goals, the Fitbit Charge 3 is a great option. I highly recommend it. The Selvin phone camera lens kit includes a 22x telephoto lens, a 235 degrees fisheye lens, a 0.62x wide-angle lens, and a 25x macro lens. These lenses can be used to take pictures of distant objects, wide landscapes, close-up objects, and creative fisheye shots. The Selvin phone camera lens is easy to use. Just attach the lens to your phone's camera and start taking pictures. The lenses are also compatible with most smartphones, so you don't need to worry about compatibility issues. The Selvin phone camera lens is a great way to improve your smartphone photography. It's affordable and easy to use, and it can help you take better pictures and videos of your life. If you're looking for a way to improve your smartphone photography, the Selvin phone camera lens is a great option. I highly recommend it. The Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds are the company's flagship earbuds, and they offer some of the best noise cancellation on the market. They use a combination of active noise cancellation and passive noise isolation to block out noise from your surroundings. The earbuds also have a comfortable, secure fit and a long battery life. They can last up to 6 hours on a single charge, and the charging case provides an additional 18 hours of battery life. The Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds are a great choice for anyone who wants to block out noise and focus on their music or work. They're also a good choice for travelers, as they can help you sleep on a plane or train. If you're looking for a pair of wireless earbuds with excellent noise cancellation, the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds are a great option. I highly recommend them.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.